Welcome to video about 4-in-1 PUBG Mobile Controller Gamepad. For more information about the gear used in this video, be sure to check the description and comment box, where you can find all the details, and even ask any questions you may have. If you're tired of the small cramped on-screen controls in PUBG Mobile, if you are bothered by the heat from holding your phone for too long, then the solution to these problems is the PUBG 4-in-1 joystick. With its ergonomic design, you will experience a comfortable and precise gaming experience. Setting up the controller is easy and compatible with most smartphones. The excellent black and red tactile triggers that come with the joystick give you an edge in the game, and the telescopic stand supports your device for an even more impressive experience. No more hot phones in your hands. Play smarter and longer. Experience seamless gaming with the Wisp Luminous Super Sensitive Gaming Gloves, as they provide a comfortable grip and improved sensitivity while using your gamepad. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting gaming content, and hit the like button on this video to support us. This mobile gamepad is designed to be compatible with mobile phones that have screen sizes between 4.7 to 6.5 inches. Making it a versatile and convenient gaming accessory for a wide range of devices. To use the L1 and R1 triggers, you will need to mount them on the top of your phone and secure them in place with the fixating clip, ensuring a stable and secure connection during gameplay. Before you begin your PUBG gaming session, it's important to make sure that you have adjusted the button positions for the triggers in the PUBG settings. This step is crucial to ensure that your gaming experience is optimized and you are able to access all the necessary controls with ease during the game. With your pro setup complete, you can now fully immerse yourself in the game and enjoy a seamless and highly responsive gaming experience. Thanks for watching.